Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my online class. I am MD Masadul Hassan, Assistant Teacher of Haji Muhammad Mohsin Government High School, Rajshahi. We all know that we are in a pandemic situation, and due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are bound to take online classes. And I am going to take an online class of class 6 English first paper, lesson 21. The name of the passage for today or composition for today is Hasan Raja, the mystic bird of Bangladesh. We all have heard the name of Hasan Raja, who was very popular in Bangladesh as well as outside Bangladesh. I hope all of you have learned about this passage in your house, and at first I will discuss about Hasan Raja's life. Hasan Raja was a very wealthy family's lad who was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family. He had everything: comfort, pleasure and luxury. In his youth life, he didn't have the scope to take much formal education, but he got the luxury. At a time, he felt that all of his properties are meaningless to him. He involved himself to mysticism. Mysticism means devoting on yourself in thinking about Creator, mankind, death and life. Considering this, he involved himself in mysticism and he started to write mystic songs and poems. He first published his book Hasan Udas in 1906, where he wrote near about 206 songs. He continued writing songs and poems, and he published his complete book that is called Hasan Raja Samagro, where he wrote near about 500 songs and poems. He was not skillful in Bengali, but also he was expert in writing Hindi songs and poems. His Hindi songs and poems were spread in India, especially in West Bengal province, by some famous singers of West Bengal, and within a short period of time his name was spread throughout India and other countries. These are the main things about Hasan Raja. And students, you need to learn the passage very well, because you could be asked to answer two types of questions from this passage. One is multiple choice questions, where you will be asked to answer or find out the correct answer from 4 alternatives. Now we will see type of question that you can face. Suppose you could be asked a question: Hasan Raja, you can see from the alternatives, Hasan Raja passed his childhood in. Then you will be given 4 options or alternatives, and you have to choose the correct answer. Now I am going to give the options to you. Number A, poverty. Number B, misery. Number C, luxury. Number D, crisis. Here I have given you four options or alternatives that Hasan Raja passed his childhood in what manner? In poverty, misery, luxury, and crisis. What you need to know that all the meanings of the four words you have been given to choose the correct answer. Now here we can see poverty does not mean any luxury. We have learned from the passage that Hasan Raja passed his life with comfort or luxury. So we have to find out the correct answer. Here luxury would be the correct answer. Okay. Another question I am going to show you. Suppose you are asked, Hasan Raja wrote some of his songs in A. Spanish, B. German, C. Hindi, D. Bengali. Here we can see you have been asked a question that Hasan Raja wrote some of his songs in which language? Option A Spanish, B German, C Hindi, D Bengali. Mainly we know Hasan Raja was a Bengali poet or bard, and here we have already learned that he wrote some of his songs in Hindi language also. So considering all these options, you have to choose Hindi because he wrote some of his songs in Hindi. So this type of questions could be asked. So we need to have a clear conception about the whole composition or passage. Okay. Another type of questions could be asked from the scene passage. It's a scene passage that we are discussing. That is the closed and open-ended question, or simply we can say question answer. Now I am going to give you some questions that you need to answer. Question A. Why did he give away all of his property? Another question I can ask, how was Hasan Raja's childhood? Another question, what is mysticism? Here I have given you three questions. Number one, why did Hasan Raja or he give away all of his property? Number two, how was Hasan Raja's childhood? Number three, what is mysticism? All the answers have been given in the passage that we have already read, and now we are going to discuss how easily we could answer the question. Here, number A question is, why did he give away all of his property? We know that Hasan Raja born in a luxury family, but he didn't enjoy it for a long time because he thought that all of his properties are meaningless to him. He didn't find any taste there. So what could be the correct answer? The correct answer would be that he gave away. Here the question is asked along with did. We all know that when a question is asked with did, we have to answer it in a past form. So here the verb is give. So when we will write the answer, we will write it as a gave, the past form of give. So we will write the answer that he gave away all of his properties, thinking it meaningless. In a single line you can answer it properly, that he gave away all of his property because he thought it is meaningless to him. Another question, how was Hasan Raja's childhood? We have learned from the passage already how was Hasan Raja's childhood. So we can easily answer it that Hasan Raja's childhood was very comfort or luxurious. Hasan Raja's childhood was very luxurious, where he had got pleasure, joy, and money, everything. So when we will answer it, we will answer it in such a way that Hasan Raja's childhood was very luxurious and full of comfort, money, and other things. Okay, the next question is, what is mysticism? It's a new word to you, I think. And mysticism means, from the title we have learned that Hasan Raja was a mystic bird. Bird means poet. Well, when we will be asked that what is mysticism, we have to answer that mysticism is a theory. Mysticism is a theory or dedication or devotion towards mankind, towards death, towards birth, towards creator. So when we will answer it, we have to write that mysticism is the devotion towards mankind, death, birth, and creator. When someone involves himself towards creator or dedicates himself toward creator, mankind, he is called mystic man. Okay, this type of question could be asked to you. So we will learn the passage or read the passage again and again, so that we could answer all of the questions that we are asked. Okay students, these are the things we need to look at, because you know that from a scene passage these two types of question could be asked. So I hope you will prepare yourself properly in your houses, so that you can answer everything properly. So this was my discussion for today. Hopefully you will continue study in your home properly, and not only this, you would take care of yourself as well as your family in this pandemic situation, and you will maintain healthy tips so that you can keep yourself safe and sound. So thank you everybody. Hope you will join my new class. Assalamu alaikum.